Ni hao. Now that we're in Mango, I want to show you how to type in Mandarin. So let's assume, if we look here on this side of the screen, if you assume that you're logged into your Mango account, you can hover over any Mandarin Chinese word or actually any character, group of characters, and you can get the pinyin. So that's the romanization of the Chinese. So we see here that this first one is ni.
你
We can hear the native speaker pronounce it. It's spelled with an N-I with the little U shape over the I, which tells you the tone.
你
And then
好
Hao, H-A-O. Okay? So if I want to type this in Chinese characters, I'm going to go here and I'm going to just type in N-I. Oh, sorry. First thing I have to do is I have to change my keyboard to Pinyin Simplified, which we installed in a previous video. And then I'll just type in N-I. And notice that the Mac is now giving me different possible characters that could be could have Ni for their pinyin, and it gives it to me in order of frequency. So it's saying the most probable thing you're trying to type is the first one. So if I just hit the number 1, I have the character for ni, which means you. And then the second character is hao, which means good, and together it means hello, you good. So I'm going to type in H-A-O, and that looks like the character for hao that I want, the first one. So I'm going to hit the number 1 on my keyboard, and then I'm done. I just typed ni hao, and then I'm going to hit the period exactly as I would hit a period in English. And then I have typed ni hao. I just typed hello. Now I'm going to go back, and I'm going to show you how to do it in one other way. So I don't even have, when I type in ni, I don't even have to hit number 1 to put the character there like this. I can do N-I, and I can just continue on, H-A-O. And then I can hit the period, and then I can hit the enter, because, whoops, I have to hit the number 1. N-I-H-A-O, period, and then I can hit the number 1, and I'm done. Okay, so it's very, very simple to type in Mandarin. I'll give maybe one more example of something else. Let's find, let's go a little bit deeper into the course and say good morning.
How do you think you would 早上好
Okay, so good morning is 早上好. And if I hover over it, I could see that, okay, there's the pinyin for morning, 早上, okay? So I have to type in Z-A-O-S-H-A-N-G, 早上, and then how again. Okay, so let me try this. So I'll do 早. Oh, I have to put my keyboard back. Back to pinyin. Okay, there we go. Z-A-O. And I can see that's the first character. The number 1 character is the first one, but I'll continue on. 早上. And then H-A-O for how. And I'll hit the period, and there. I just typed good morning in Chinese. 早上好. So obviously what's important to know when you're typing in Mandarin is you have to know how to say the word, and you have to know how that word is spelled in pinyin. Okay, so you have to learn a little bit about the pinyin system, but it's pretty self-explanatory. So you can see here,
早上
zao shang. So the ts sound is represented with a z, but everything else looks pretty intuitive. Zao shang. Okay, so as you go on, just pay attention to the pinyin, and you have to remember what the character looks like. You don't have to know how to draw it, but you have to remember what it looks like so you can type it, and when the computer offers you up its suggestions, you'll know that it's giving you the right suggestion, and you'll type the right one. Okay, so thank you very much, and hope you enjoyed. Happy typing in Chinese.